Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the half yearly question and answers which you had already given test of history of half yearly examination. So your question number 1 was fill in the blanks. The first question, what was it? Rich wore ornaments made of gold, silver and dash. So dash is ivory. And the answer consists of 1 marks. One word, 1 marks is coming. Harappan seals are made up of clay, soapstone and copper during the Indus Valley civilization. So, it also consists of 1 marks. Next question. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Atharva Veda, Sam Veda and dash. That is Yajurveda. 1 marks. Next one. So next question is your next question. The most important god of the early Aryans was Indra. Indra is the answer. 1 marks. When a king ascended the throne, the Purohita performed what yajna? Dash was given Rajasuya yajna. It was a 1 marks. Later Vedic period. Next question. Question number 6. In the later Vedic period, the classification of society into 4 varnas became dash and hereditary. Rigid and hereditary in the later Vedic period. Now come to the second question, that is choose true false. The Harappan cities had an elaborate drainage system. True. The Indus Valley people were excellent potters and skilled craftspeople. True. Domestication of animals was the main occupation of the Harappans during the Indus Valley civilization. That means domestication of animals was the main occupation of the Harappans during the Indus Valley civilization. False. Agriculture the main occupation. Next, the Vedas of the Aryan period are ancient India's religious text during the early Vedic civilization. True. 1 marks. The dress of Aryans consisted of a 3-piece garment during early Vedic civilization. No, it was 2-piece garments. So false. Aryans, 1 marks it is. Aryans believed in one supreme power during the early Vedic civilization. True. The Sabha and Samiti became very powerful during the later Vedic period. False. It will be. Kingship became more powerful. A guru treated his students like his children, and students regarded the guru as their spiritual father during the later Vedic civilization. True. Education in a Gurukul was very expensive. No, it was not. So false. Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, that is question number 10 of true false, were the most important gods during later Vedic period. True. Next is Harappan civilization belonged to Bronze Age. And choose the correct option. 1 marks each. Dash was staple food, wheat. The dash tree was probably regarded as sacred by Harappans. It was peepal tree. 1 marks. Indo-Aryans were people who migrated from Central Asia during early Vedic civilization. Dash was the god of rain and thunder, Indra. 1 marks. Under Aryan society, Kshatriya were the warrior class people during early Vedic civilization. This is also 1 marks. Next, later Vedic period, Varanasi was known as Kashi. During the dash stage of his life, an Aryan, that is Brahmacharya stage of life, in which the boy studied in Gurukul and received education. That is Brahmacharya stage. Ramayana is an epic poem composed by Rishi Valmiki. 1 marks each question's answer. Bhagavad Gita, the holy book of Hindus, is based on Lord Krishna's teachings. And picture study question. First one is bronze statue of the dancing girl, and where it was found in Harappa. And answer the following given question into a given picture. That is the next one, number 2. That pictures will be, answer will be Ashwamedha. It was Ashwamedha Yajna. In which period? It was later Vedic period. Next, civics part. First question, fill in the blanks. Union government deals with matters of national importance. Village panchayat is headed by village pradhan. Nyay panchayat cannot send people to jail. Choose true or false. Gram panchayat makes the villagers more responsible and self-sufficient. True. And panchayat is elected for 2 years. No. False. So all adult members of village are members of Gram Sabha. True. The word panchayat means a group of 5 people. Dash of the seats were reserved for women in panchayat, 1/3. Dash is the local self-government body, block samiti. Jila Parishad functions at the district level. So students, these were your answers of your half yearly examination which you are getting today in your class video, and also I am giving you in study material also the answers, written thing, all question answers I am giving in, sending in your study material in PDF form. So follow it and look into it. You will get the question answers in this. And you know this in this time we are going to enter into holidays and all the festive seasons. So enjoy everything but with precaution, and also keep yourself healthy, fit and fine. Be safe and also study properly, read the lessons. So these are the question answers which I am giving you today in your study material. Follow it, and you will get all the marks also written beside the questions. Okay, the marks is also, each question 1 marks is written beside the question. The answers is also written there. So follow it. So all the doubts will be clear regarding your answers for your questions. Okay. Thank you students.